I've dealt with situations where guys have plenty of options, so I'm just
Okay.
laughing that you say
Let's
that.
let's go ahead and go through this. Did he sleep with those women?
I don't know. I didn't investigate it that far.
Okay. Do you think he slept with them?
Well, I know he slept with one of them.
How many did he talk to? You said he sent
Oh.
DMs to a bunch, right?
Yeah, I found out two because they were mutuals of mine.
So he slept with two.
No, I'm saying he slept with one that I know of, but
Yeah.
then I found out two mutuals that he was texting with. But I don't know if he didn't.
Like mutual friends of yours?
Yeah.
But
Okay.
you only know that he slept with one.
Yeah.
Did you see how many messages he sent out?
No, I didn't see his phone.
Okay. I'm going to bet that he spoke to 20 to 30 to 40 women to get that one lay, if not more.
I don't know.
Also, was your guy, like, what did he do?
E-commerce.
Did he make a lot of money?
Yeah.
How much was he clearing a year, roughly?
Oh,
Or a month?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Was he tall?
He was over 6 foot, yeah.
Okay. Was he, I'm assuming you were with him, so he was physically attractive?
It was mid.
Okay.
Kind of mid.
But over 6 feet tall, made, what, $300K a year? 20K a month? 10K a month?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Around there, yeah.
10 to 20K a month?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so he's pulling in a roughly $250,000 a year, right? 100 to 250K per year, right? What percentage of men do you think meet these metrics?
Probably a lower percent.
What's your estimation?
20%.
What's your favorite food?
Um,
Give us water.
avocado toast and egg.
But I mean, as in, like, but where's your favorite restaurant?
Oh. Like
Today.
Pura Vida or some shit? I don't know.
That's your favorite restaurant?
I mean, yeah, that's
All right,
like
that's fine. For the audience that's listening in, it's like a healthy, overpriced food place. Fine.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing on the menu there?
like the avocado chicken wrap.
Okay. So when you go there, right, and you have that avocado chicken wrap, have you ever asked yourself, where do they get the chicken from? Where does the avocado come from? How did they get this bread this way? How did they toast it? You ever asked that?
Oh.
Or do you just eat the food and enjoy it?
Yeah, I eat it and enjoy it.
That's it, right? Kind of ends there. And the reason why I say that is because women don't understand the struggle. You guys just enjoy the end product, right? So in your eyes, you're looking at it like, okay, he's over 6 feet tall. He's a higher earner. I date him, but he's cheating on me. But what you don't know is that he had to become that guy to be attractive in the first place, and you're just enjoying the end product. You didn't see the hours that he toiled to make that kind of money. You didn't see how he struggled to build that business up. You didn't see all the months where he was probably negative. You didn't see how he probably failed with a bunch of women before he went and met you and was able to pull you. You just enjoy the end product. You don't understand what goes into building the man, just like you don't understand what goes into that chicken sandwich that you enjoy at Pura Vida. You don't know what the guy in the back had to do to make it taste that way. And I don't expect you to understand. That's fine. You just enjoy the end product. But this is kind of where I have to, where it's very interesting to me that when I asked you what percentage of men do you think meet that demographic that your guy had, you said 20%. And I will tell you that that's less than 1% of men meet those prerequisites that you gave. And that's just off of the little information you gave me on how much he earns in just his height. Puts him in the 1%. All right? So you're saying, oh, my boyfriend cheated on me and he had all these women, but you don't understand that your boyfriend is an extremely rare, your ex is an extremely rare commodity. Does that make sense? So the average guy, right, And your boyfriend your ex probably still had to put work in to fuck those 2 girls that you know of.
Yep.
And you don't know how many girls he failed with to get that.
A lot.
So, and I think women don't understand this because, like, you guys kind of just live life on easy mode. Men come to you, so you don't got to work. You don't got to do anything. Like, in the beginning of the podcast, right, we asked you, what do you think makes you more attractive? I don't know if you guys caught on. We did catch on now. But all of you went and talked about what makes it attractive in your eyes, not the man. Do you notice that? Why is that? Well, because women don't really have to put work in to attract men. Men have to put all the work in to attract women. If I ask Fresh, what do you think makes you more attractive, having money or not having money? He wouldn't know immediately I'm referring to women. Yeah. And he would give the answer that's affirmative to be more attractive towards women. But when I talk to women, what do you think makes you more attractive to men? I have to delineate it explicitly. Oh, no, we're talking about men. Oh, my bad. I thought you were talking about me. But the fact that you're able to even have that privilege to think about just thinking about yourself proves my point. That women don't really give a fuck about what men go through or, you know, the trials and tribulations they have to go through to become attractive. Because the fact that you think your guy is a 20 percentile guy goes to show how just disconnected from reality most women are. Right? They tend to look at like their circle of friends or the people that they're around. All my friends are rich. So that means that everyone else is rich. No. The average guy is 5'8", making 30 to 50K per year. That's why they struggle. But you don't even see those guys. They're invisible. They're at the club buying drinks. But you don't remember them. They give you a big tip. You don't remember them.
They're CVS behind register.
Oh, big tip. Get it?
Yeah. So, again, I always find it interesting, though, because, like, when I ask girls, like, what percent, where do you think your guy fits in? He makes 200K a year. What do you think? 10%? 20% of guys?
Chris camera.
So, it's always very interesting. But, yes, to answer your question, or to bring this full circle and land the plane, most men absolutely struggle with women. And I guarantee your guy, before he was able to cheat on you, as you claim, he had to talk probably to at least 20 to 30 girls to get one lay. Versus, what do you think, how many guys do you think you'd have to talk to get laid?
Like 2, 3?
One? I don't know.
Wow. She's not even humble either.
Yeah, so I mean, it just goes like that's just.
I'm just being.
Yeah, but yeah.
No, fine. No.
But you do see where I'm coming from with this, where it's like, for men it's way harder. Yeah. Because you were laughing when I said most guys don't get laid, and you're like, well my ex-boyfriend gets laid, and I'm like,
I agree that it's less harder, but I don't agree that men are just sitting around not trying to fuck.
I mean,
yeah, trying and doing it are two different things, though.
Hold on. So you every guy that you meet?
What?
Do you fuck every guy that you meet?
Do you fuck every guy you meet?
Yeah, fresh.
Hell no.
Why not?
Why not? Come on, man. Why?
Because that's an intimate thing. Why would I just go around doing that with whoever?
I mean,
let's make this fun. Who fucks guys that they just meet? Anybody here? No? None of you? Oh, okay.
I'll be honest, I've done that before twice.
Okay.
Do you practice it still?
God, no.
Okay. So, if most of you guys are not fucking guys just when you meet them, right? And those guys that you met, were they like tall, attractive? Did they have their shit together? Like, did they have some type of...
Only one of them. Like, only one.
Okay, so he was an outlier.
I guess.
Okay, so he wasn't a normal guy. Like, if most women aren't fucking every guy that they talk to, then how are niggas getting laid? According to you.
I wonder how.
Because you're saying like, oh, guys are running around and fucking. Like, if women aren't fucking most men, then how are these men getting laid? Numerically.
Ta-da. They're not.
There you go. And that's what I mean when I say an average 21-year-old guy is not getting nearly as much play as an average 21-year-old woman. And that comes back to the whole social media thing, right? Like, a guy's got to be exceptional to even get attention from a female.
Yeah.
Like, exceptional. Like, okay, let's have fun with it. Who do you think is rarer, you or your ex-boyfriend? Is there more of him or more of you?
Come on, Veronica.
Probably more of me.
Oh, really? All right.
She gets it.
Okay, so if there's more of, if there's less of him, and he's still got to put in work, what does that say for like the rest of men as a 1% guy still having to put in work? What about the other 99%?
Yeah,
Let's
they
see.
gotta put
Watch
in
the
work.
cup.
What was that? Sorry.
Yeah, they'll have to put in work too, obviously. You're asking about the other 99%.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have to put in more work. Yeah.
So, do you see how I came to that conclusion, telling you that like most guys are struggling with women?
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
Yo,
Oh.
bruh. It's supposed to be, yo. You smoke weed, nigga. You lying to us. You smoke weed. All right.
Okay, let me put it this way: if I took your brain and I put it in a man's body, that guy would get no chicks.
Yeah.
No offense.
Virgin.
You're not very charismatic. You're not very interesting or entertaining or charming or funny. No offense. You have a very dry personality, which is fine. That could work, right? We saw some girls like kind of use that. But the point I'm trying to make is that you can go out there and absolutely kill it with men because you're a woman. But if I took your personality and put it to a guy, that nigga would be cooked.
Yep.
You get no bitches at all.
Yeah.
Because as a man, you have to be the initiator, the charismatic one, the leader,
Supplier.
the attractive one. Like, you have to be interesting. And only get the privilege of being boring.
Yeah, I mean, we ask you, if you was to have one day, wake up. I wake up in the morning, I cook breakfast, I sleep, I nap. It's boring.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, only women could be boring and still find an attractive mate. Men, it doesn't work that way. You got to put in all kinds of fucking work and make a bunch of money just to get a chance, just to be seen.
Yeah, it's
You know the
wrong,
best
you're
part?
fucked.
Yeah.
They still don't care about this shit.
No, I don't care, man.
Yeah, I think if anything,
Nope.
this is just more for the guys to kind of learn, like,
Yeah.
this is for y'all niggas to see, like,
Yeah.
this is kind of how women view men. They don't give a fuck about y'all niggas, man, which is fine. But just know that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Okay, ladies.
Anything you have anything to say? I mean, I'll give you the last word.
Well, when someone commented about how we all have boring lives or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
But earlier we were talking about, it's less attractive for a woman to be doing all this extra shit. So like,
We didn't say
Experience.
it was a bad thing.
That's two different things.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't say it was a bad thing
No,
necessarily.
no, it's fine.
I guess I'm confused then.
Don't worry about it.
The bottom line,
Yo, whoop.
okay, the bottom line is simply that
Fresh, relax, man.
there's no burden of performance on women. Does that make sense? Like, there's no, like, metric for you guys to accomplish.
Yeah, and it's fine, man.
Does that make sense? Like, women have value by definition of being a woman, versus men have no value and have to create it.
And work their way up.
When you turn 18, you're an adult, you can get invited on a yacht with a bunch of millionaires just for being a woman and 18. An 18-year-old guy is never going to get that opportunity.
Yeah.
He's got to be a millionaire and be a peer to even be invited. And even then, if he reaches in their peers, they still might not invite him. Does that make sense? So, you ever play chess? I'm reluctant to ask this, but
No.
never?
Probably checkers. Maybe.
Yeah, I would play checkers.
Well, no.
All right. In the game of chess, the queen is the strongest piece because it can go in many different directions and as many spaces at once. However, if the queen dies, the game isn't over. It's only when the king is surrounded that the game is over. And you can get a pawn to the other side and turn it into a queen. So the women have the image and the illusion of having power, right? Where they can move around quite a bit just by virtue of being a female. They're replaceable. And the bottom line is many queens can come along, but if the king is surrounded, the game is over. And that's what I mean when I say male and female value is not the same. Men must earn their value versus women don't. They can easily be replaced.
Yo, chat, chill, man.
This is why I think genuinely that, like, breaking up with that guy might have not been a good idea because he cheated on you. If I'm going to be very, very pragmatic here. Because realistically speaking, he's over 6 feet, makes good money. If he treated you well,
He is?
yeah. If he treated you well, what do you think your chances are of finding another guy like that?
Wait, is he black?
Yep.
Oh, okay, yeah, nah, yeah, she's good, bro.
Yeah, so like, what do you, like, you know what I mean? Like, if he's rarer than you are and you found him and he was good to you in general, but maybe he fucked a bitch here or there, like, does it make sense to, like, leave,
Come on, man.
in your opinion?
He's a nigga, man. Come on. Come on, man.
Bruh, I'd rather be alone than be
Bro,
with
come
someone
on,
cheating
man.
on me. Like, I have a
Don't
lot
be
of
40 and two cats, man.
Yeah, but see, you getting angry about him cheating assumes, like, here's the thing, right? You getting angry about him cheating on you assumes that you guys are equal for you to even have an issue with that. Does that make sense? Okay, let me be blunt. He's better than you in every way. So therefore, he gets certain privileges that you don't.
Okay, and I still would rather be by myself.
Do you have high standards?
Yeah.
Do you understand that with high standards come high maintenance?
Stop doing that. I mean, so you think it's okay to just cheat?
I'm not saying that it's okay, but I'm being realistic that if you're with a guy that's out of your league, you're more than likely going to have to share him with other women. Because for you to get angry at him for cheating on you assumes that you two are equal. But you admitted earlier that there's way less of him than you. So therefore, he carries more value than you do.
Would it be the thought that just him being with another woman pisses you off or drives like jealousy or envy in the inside? Yes or no?
No, like if you want to
Then why
go
break
do
up with him
that,
if he
like you
cheated?
can do that without me there. Like,
Yeah, because she assumes equality between her and her partner. This is where women fuck up, right? They get with a guy and they think, I'm just as valuable as him, when in reality, you're not. No offense. Like, there's a bunch of attractive young women in Miami.
Yeah.
Right? So, you're common, he's not. And you admitted this to me. So, for you to say, you can't cheat on me, assumes equality.
Gotcha, bitch!
Does that make sense?
okay.
There you have it.
Okay, do you at least understand the concept that you can't dictate terms to someone who's better than you?
I understand what you're saying.